So here are the Oracle fog lights I'll be installing today. So basically you just mount it into the 3 already provided hardware on the modular front bumper, and then you plug it in and you run the wire. So we're gonna get started. As you can see, these are kind of marked up already. Wasn't really happy with that, but hopefully the bumper hides that stuff so you won't see it. But I have a feeling I'm gonna have to powder coat these again or paint them. So stay tuned. And as you can see, the holes I'm talking about, these 1, 2, 3 on the front bumper. It's just 1, 2, 3 with a Torx 40, and I'm going to be putting the light up in here next. That's pretty much it. Here you guys go. You can already see them in there. They sit pretty flush, and that's just loosely put in there, but they look badass in there. And I just gotta hook them up on both sides. So here we go. All right, as you can see, I have this side done, just those 3, and that's pretty much it. So now it's on to the wiring. I think they look freaking badass. I like how they match the circle up top rather than square lights. They match the headlight, so I really like them. So here they are. See, so now it's time to wire them on the hood. So now I have the harness here. So obviously I have to take it out. This is the harness that they provide. So once I get this undone, you guys will see it out there. It does include, because I don't have the aux switches inside my cabin, so it does also come with a cool switch here to mount inside the cab. So I'm going to put that through the firewall in the little grommet, and then I'll show you how that guys goes. And obviously I do have to hook it up to the positive and the negative and do all that under the hood. But literally plug it into the fog light harness right here, run the cables, and that's it. So all right, we have it installed. They look badass. So there they are. So basically what I did, guys, is you punch a hole in the firewall back there, right there. I ran the wire up for the switch. They come with a big harness right here, so what I did is I zip tied it here, zip tied it all along the firewall here, made sure it was out of the way, tucked the wires around the battery. It comes with, you know, one to attach to the negative, one to the positive, and I put it on here with a 10 millimeter, ran the wires, and then I went down through here with some of the plumbing down here. I know it's not ideal, but ideal, you can see right there. So I went down there, came around to here. You can see that new black gloss went through there, tightened it all up, ran the other one down the skid and to the back of the light over here. I did zip tie it a little bit to give it so it doesn't rattle. It's all nice and firm to the tug. So yeah, here we are. Let me go inside and show you the switch. So what I did is, normally you'll run it, I've seen people run it through here. So what I did is I ran it right through here, and I'm just gonna peel this tape off and put it right there. So that about does it. And all it is an on-off switch right there, and you're done. So easy install. Love the product.